Hello dear subscribers, I will tell you how you can fix this error. So you can see it, we detected an unusual login attempt. We noticed a login attempt to your account that seemed suspicious. We will send you a security code to verify your identity. How do you want to receive your code? So also you have two different options. So it's phones that you add to your account and email. So you just choose option that for you it's better. So if you receive a mail, you will receive a mail from Instagram, and you will find their code. So you just need to write code you received on this email. And if you choose phone, Instagram will send this code on your phone, and you need to write this code in line. So sometimes it happens that you see only one option. Sometimes you see only email or only phone. So you can't do anything with it. So you just need to verify it only by this one option. So if you see phone by phone, and if you see email by email. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.